It is often heard that a person should be afraid of time. In many ways, this seems to be true. But there is something special about this time, and that is that it makes us happy by revealing the countless opportunities hidden in its womb, which are no less than a precious gift for us from time to time. One such precious gift which time has brought this year in 2025, not only for India but for the whole world, which we know as Mahakumbh. Yes, you can consider yourself lucky because your name has been included in the list of a few people who witnessed this great festival, because now you will have to wait for the next 144 years to write your name in this list. So let's know the history behind Mahakumbh before understanding its mathematics. In Hindu scriptures and Purans, there is a mention of churning the ocean jointly by Devas and Danavas in various forms. There was a fierce conflict between the Devas and the Danavas over the distribution of one of the many things obtained from the churning of the ocean, which was called Amrit, which was capable of eradicating the disease of mortality, as a result of which a few drops of nectar from the Amrit Kalash fell in Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nasik, and at the same time, due to being the land of aesthetics, this place was called Tirth and became famous for removing the sins and sorrows of human being. Now let's understand the mathematics of zodiac signs. Kumbh is held when the planet Jupiter enters Aquarius and the planet Sun enters Capricorn. Since Jupiter takes 12 years in its orbit and there are total of 12 zodiac signs, the Mahakumbh is held every 144 years. The Kumbh Mela is not organized for any particular religion or caste, but for the purpose of establishing the entire living being at a higher level of consciousness. It reflects the superiority of India and the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let's make our lives holy and blessed by being a part of this Mahakumbh.